But you can see, you see that energy right there? That's stored energy, stored trauma. Peace, family. Jazz Vontae tapping in. As you can see, I'm in the PJs right now, man. We just chilling. I definitely wanted to show you all some work that I'm doing with my girl D here. And what I'm working on right now is just helping her release a lot of just stored energy. And you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Touch deprivation is a real thing. Just think about you going through your life, just harboring a lot of tension, a lot of just stored emotions, and we never get to a chance to work them out properly as we should, especially for my body workers out there, service workers, people who work with people, tattoo artists, lash techs, braiders, you know, people who do hair, other massage therapists. This is something that is vital for us. This is not a luxury. This is a necessity. This is essential. Okay, so what I want to show you all today is to help relieve back pain, specifically on her erectors, right? Her erectors are the muscles that align right with her spine. And so you'll see exactly what I'm talking about as far as the stored energy, okay? And this is something that I'm helping D work out right now, okay? So tap in. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to warm up her erectors first. Okay, you don't want to start super deep. Okay. And I'm just taking my hands, giving adequate enough pressure, but not too much. Okay, and I'm right alongside her spine. I'm not on it. I am on her erectors spinae. Okay. Going all the way down, stripping those QLs, her lower back muscles, all the way down to the iliac crest. Okay. Now, I'm going to add a little elbow. Okay. Still with moderate pressure. I'm not digging right now. Take deep breaths. There you go. And it's very crucial to walk your client through, or just kind of talk them through, help them to relax as well. That's a good touch. Now I'm not going to go super duper deep because this is a very sensitive side for her. But you can see, you see that energy right there? That's stored energy, stored trauma. I'm going to do that same thing, but I'm coming from the iliac crest all the way up to her traps, okay? Same thing on her erector spinae, going super slow. There we go. Make sure you're taking deep breaths. Relax. I wish y'all can feel this right now. Feels amazing. Another good touch is when you get up here by the upper traps is to kind of dig in a little deeper. Not too much. That's a great touch. And I like to flush after a big, deep, therapeutic move like that. I like to flush it out. So if your partner is ever complaining about back pain, lower back pain, upper back pain, this is a move that you can do Okay, to help your partner relax. Okay, it's super simple. It just takes some practice, right? And yeah, family,